because second bit and third bit, these two bits based on this formula only we will do the answers. That's why once tell me, if x minus alpha and x minus beta are two factors of the given quadratic polynomial p of x, then what is the general form of polynomial p of x? Tell me the general form.
P
Let me
of x
pause.
is equals to k into x square minus alpha into beta into x plus
Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta into x.
plus
Say
alpha
one
beta.
second. Say one second.
P of x is equals to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta.
Very good. Alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of the zeros. Alpha into beta is nothing but product of the zeros. X square minus alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros into x plus alpha into beta is nothing but product of the zeros. Is it clear, this formula? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so based on this formula, here given one bit, that question is find the quadratic polynomial in each case. One C second bit in exercise number 3.3. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of the zeros respectively. Here sum of the zeros is given, alpha plus beta is given, and product of the zeros, alpha into beta also given. So by using that sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, by using the two conditions, write the given respective quadratic polynomial, required quadratic polynomial. So that sum of the zeros are, first question, sum of the zeros is nothing but alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is given 1 by 4. And product of the zeros is given -1. So given that sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, that equal to 1 by 4 is given. Alpha plus beta 1 by 4 is given. Product of the zeros, alpha into beta, that is -1 is given. Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So by using these two factors, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, by using these two conditions, write the required quadratic polynomial. That required quadratic polynomial, the general form of the quadratic polynomial when sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is given, that formula is P of x equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the general form. Is it right? So in this general form, in place of alpha plus beta, you should substitute 1 by 4. And in place of alpha into beta, you should substitute -1. That's all. Then substitute k into x square minus alpha plus beta value is 1 by 4 into x plus alpha into beta value -1. Is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear this step? Now do simplification k into x square minus 1 into x plus into minus 1 into x by 4, plus into -1. Here take LCM. LCM is the 4. X square by 1 minus x by 4 minus 1 by 1 is nothing but LCM is 4. That's why total LCM is 4. Then what about numerator? 1 4 is 4. 4 times. 1 4 is 4. That's why that 4 into numerator x square. 4 into x square, 4x square minus 4 1s are 4. 4 1 times multiplication. 4 1s are 4. That 1 into numerator is x. 1 into x minus 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 4 times. 4 into numerator is 1. 4 1s are 4. Is it clear this step? 4x square minus x minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Now here k equal to, we should take here or put k equal to 4. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకోవాలమ్మా, k equal to 4. Why? Because this denominator should be cancelled. That's why this constant term should be 4. That's why put k equal to 4. The remaining terms are 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4 by 4. This 4 gets cancelled. The required quadratic polynomial p of x equal to 4x square minus x minus 4. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will explain one more question. Which question you want in this bit? Once tell me. I will explain that question. Remaining problems you should do practice. Which question you want?
So explain second one.
Second one, sir. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. Here alpha plus beta equal to root 2. Is it right? And alpha
Yes,
into
sir.
beta equal to 1 by 3. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta equal to root 2. Product of the zeros, alpha into beta equal to 1 by 3. These two values substitute in the required quadratic polynomial k into x square minus alpha plus beta is root 2x plus alpha into beta value 1 by 3. Now take LCM k into, the total LCM is 3. Why? Because x square by 1, root 2x by 1. Now 1 into 3, 3. 1 3 is 3. That's why 3 into numerator x square, 3 into x square, 3x square minus. Again 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 times multiplication, that 3 into 2 root x. 3 root 2 x plus 3 1s are 3. That's why 1 into numerator also 1, 1 1s are 1. Put k equal to, which number we should take?
3,
K
sir.
value 3. Put k equal to 3. Then 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled. The required polynomial p of x equal to 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Is it clear? Is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still, total 6 questions are there. From that 6 questions, 2 questions I explained. Still, we have 4 questions. From that 4 questions, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain that problem. Otherwise, I will go to next bit. Second bit, do you have any doubt? Second bit.
Sir, once again, can you explain the last step, sir?
This one,
Above that, sir.
this step. Come on, if you want.
Into 3x square. Above put k is equals to 3 is there.
This step. So if you take LCM, 1, denominator is here x square by 1, root 2x by 1 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are 1, 1, 3. What is the LCM of these 3 numbers? 1, 1, 3, LCM is 3. Is it right? LCM is 3. If LCM is 3, then write the numerators. If, for example, take 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. What is the LCM? 3 comma 6, LCM is 6. Then what is the numerator here? What is the numerator? 2 into 3 to the 6. Is it right? 3 to the 6. That's why 2 into 2.
Yes.
Plus numerator 5 into 6 1 the 6. We should write 1. So here also we should write like this only.
Okay.
Here total LCM is 3. LCM is 3. So that first numerator is x square. X square term, right, as it is x square. Into 1, how many times if you multiply, you will get 3. 1 3 is a 3. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
1 3 is a 3. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
that is x square into 3. 3x square minus.
Okay.
So write numerator root 2x. Again, 1 3s are 3. That's why that 3 we should multiply 3 into root 2x plus. Here 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. One time multiplication. 3 ones are 3 means one time multiplication. 1 into numerator,
Yes,
1
sir.
only. 1 ones are 1. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Amma?
Got it.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Amma.
Sir, suppose if denominator isn't there, what can be put as k, sir?
If denominator is 1, you should take k value is 1. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear, Amma? If the denominator there is no number, in place of k you should take 1. 1 into something only, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nama. Next, still any doubts in second bit?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Third bit also same, Amma. This process only. But here in place of sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, they given individual terms, alpha and beta they given. From that alpha and beta, we should find the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Then after, write the required quadratic polynomial. So one see question number third bit. One see third bit. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta given in each case. Second bit lo manaki directly sum of the zeros alpha plus beta, alpha into beta ichadamma. Third bit lo individual ichad alpha ichad, beta ichad. Alpha value is 2, beta value is -1. One see first question. Alpha value is 2, beta value is -1. From the two zeros, find the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then after finding sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, the two values substitute in the given quadratic polynomial k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So one see first question 2 and 1 is given. First question given that alpha equal to 2 comma beta equal to -1. Beta equal to -1. Then find the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. That is alpha plus beta. Here alpha equal to 2 plus beta equal to -1. 2 plus into minus 2 minus 1. That is 1. Alpha plus beta value is 1. Find the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. So here alpha is 2 into beta is -1. Plus into minus 2 ones are 2. -2 is the product of the zeros. Then find quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial, if x minus alpha and x minus beta are the two factors, that polynomial is p of x equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Is it right? Is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so k into x square minus alpha plus beta value is 1. So that's why in place of alpha plus beta substitute 1 into x plus alpha into beta value is -2. Now k into do simplification x square minus 1 into x is nothing but -x plus into minus -2. Now here we should take here denominator is 1. X square is nothing but here denominator is 1, 1, 1. That's why put k equal to 1. Put k equal to 1. The required polynomial p of x equal to 1 into something, x square minus x minus 2. Is it clear, Amma? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do one more question. One more question. That is question number 2. √3 కామా మైనస్ √3. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ని చూసి భయపడతారు, కానీ ఏముండదమ్మా, సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చాలా ఈజీ. 1C alpha equal to √3 and beta equal to minus √3 is given. Alpha equal to √3 and beta equal to minus √3. Then find the sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta, √3 plus minus √3 is nothing but √3 minus √3, that is 0. Sum of the zeros is 0. And find the product of the zeros. √3 into minus √3 plus into minus minus √3 into √3, √3 whole square. Square root gets cancelled, you get only -3. Is it clear, Amma? Alpha plus beta and alpha beta values.
Yes, sir.
So now these two alpha plus beta and alpha beta values, these two values substitute in the required quadratic polynomial p of x equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta value 0, 0 into x plus alpha into beta value -3. Here k into x square, 0 into something 0, that's why no need to write this term, x square plus into minus -3. Now here denominator is 1, that's why put k equal to 1. Then the required quadratic polynomial is 1 into something x square minus 3. Is it clear? Is it clear, Amma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir, clear, sir. 1C in first bit, second bit, third bit. From these 3 bits, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain one more time, no problem. Once check. First, second, third. From these 3 bits, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Come on. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
sir. Once can you explain first bit, sixth one, sir?
You want first bit, sixth question. 3x square minus x minus 4. Is it right, that question? Okay. So find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and their coefficient. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials. First we should find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials by using factorization method. Afterwards, verify the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. Afterwards, you should write the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. That question is 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square polynomial, given that polynomial p of x equal to 3x square minus x minus 4. Find the zeros of the following given quadratic polynomial. Zeros anadu kabatti 3x, if p of x equal to 0, that is 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So next step is, by using factorization method, find the factors of the given quadratic polynomial 3x square minus x minus 4. So how to do factorization? First we should multiply first term and last term. 3 4s are 12, plus into minus minus. 3 4s are 12, 12 into x square, 12x square, minus 12x square. If you multiply first term and last term, 3x square minus 4, 3x square into minus 4, 3 4s are 12, x square, 12x square. Next, what is the middle term? Minus x is the middle term. Minus x is nothing but minus 1x. This minus 1x should be divided into 2 terms. Then tell me, what are the factors? మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మైనస్ 12x స్క్వేర్ రావాలమ్మా. యాడ్ చేస్తే
minus 4x and 3x, sir.
minus 4x plus 3x. One see, if you add these two numbers, minus 4x plus 3x, what is the value of minus 4x plus 3x? If you do simplification, minus into plus minus, 4x minus 3x, 1x. Minus is the big number, that's why minus 1x. If you multiply these two terms, minus into plus minus, 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square. Multiplication చేస్తే minus 12x square వచ్చిందమ్మా. యాడ్ చేస్తే minus 1x వచ్చేసింది. కాబట్టి in place of minus 1x, write these two terms, 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. From these two terms, take x common. From these two terms, take only one is the common. So if you take x common, the remaining terms are 3x minus 4. Here there is no common terms from these two terms. That's why take only one is the common. If you take one as a common, the remaining terms are 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Again 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. Take 3x minus 4 as a common. The remaining terms are x plus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0. Write individually. 3x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 4 becomes a right hand side plus 4. Then x equal to 4 by 3. Here plus 1 becomes a right hand side minus 1. X equal to minus 1. The two factors are 4 by 3 comma minus 1. 4 by 3 comma minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now case 1 and case 2. Here in case 1, case 2. In case 1, alpha equal to 4 by 3 and beta equal to minus 1. In case 2, a value is 3 because ax square plus bx plus c. B value is minus 1. C value is minus 4. Then find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. 4 by 3 plus into minus minus 1. If you do simplification, 4, 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 by 3. That is 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta value 1 by 3. So if you go for the formula method, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So here minus b by a, minus of b value minus 1 by a value 3. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3. Next find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta 4 by 3 into minus 1. Minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into minus 1. Alpha into beta. 4 by 3 into minus 1. That is minus 4 by 3. This formula alpha into beta equal to c by a. So c value is minus 4. A value is 3. Minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the first bit. Now, so in this chapter, still we have one more concept, that is cubic polynomial. Find the relationship between zeros and their coefficients of cubic polynomial. So what is the general form of cubic polynomial? What is the general form of cubic polynomial?
Plus dx plus d, sir.
X square plus CX.
ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c comma d are real numbers. That is the general form of cubic polynomial. So here we have three conditions, that is sum of the zeros. Here cubic polynomial, cubic means how many zeros you will get? 3. Cube means 3. And that 3 zeros are, first one is alpha, beta, gamma. Now sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma is the first condition, sum of the zeros. Second condition is sum of the product of the zeros, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Third one is product of the zeros, alpha into beta into gamma. That is also very, very important concept. So, but one see alpha plus beta plus gamma formula. This is the sum of the zeros. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So this is the sum of the product of the zeros. So this is the product of the zeros, alpha, beta, gamma. Now once tell me alpha plus beta plus gamma formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Formula is minus B minus B by A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha.
C by A, sir.
C by A, sir.
C by A. Alpha into beta into gamma formula. Minus D by A.
Minus D by A.
So this is the sum of the zeros. This is the sum of the product of the zeros. This is the product of the zeros formulas. Product of the zeros formulas. Okay, now. So this problem also very, very important, Amma. So before going to this problem, so today you have DPT 3 exams, right?
Sir, DPT 2 last exam, sir.
Maths exam, Amma, iroju?
Yes, sir.
So I think your syllabus is polynomials and pair of linear equations in two variables as well as trigonometry. Three chapters. One see in polynomials chapter, still we have only 5 minutes time. Once listen all of you. In polynomials chapter, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial by using factorization method. So you should learn that factorization method. That is the very, very important. Next question is 100% question. That is the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Pakka question. Next, from this relationship between zeros and their coefficients. Again, in first bit, maybe they will ask from first bit. Again, the quadratic polynomial is given. From that quadratic polynomial, verify the relationship between zeros and their coefficient. So that type of question also very, very important. Now coming to trigonometry. In trigonometry also, so in first exercise related to trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios are there, right? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Then tell me the ratio of sine formula.
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite by hypotenuse, sir.
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Cos formula.
Adjacent by
Adjacent
hypotenuse.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan formula.
Opposite by
Opposite
adjacent.
by
sir.
Opposite by adjacent.
So here my doubt is why we should take sine equal to opposite by hypotenuse only? Why we should take sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse? We can take adjacent side by hypotenuse also. Then what will happen?
Sir, if you take like that, it is cos value.
My question is, sine means only opposite by hypotenuse. Why we should take only opposite by hypotenuse? Is there any specification? Ilane teesukovalane condition emanna unda? Enduku teesukovali? Here alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Enduku teeskunnamo cheppina nenu ikkada. Is it right?
There's a proof.
So, okay, we will discuss one more day also that concept. So, you should learn trigonometric ratios, values, as well as identities. So, here we have 3 identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So, in 4th exercise, so they will ask one question, that is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That is the very, very important problem. All of you should practice that problem. And in first exercise also 8th question, I think 8th question, if cot theta equal to 7 by 13, then find the value of 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So that type of questions they will ask for 8 marks in examination. So next concept is zeros. So value sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So next cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. And these three concepts also very simple and important concepts. Coming to pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equation, the conditions are very important condition. What is meant by pair of linear equation? Linear equation. Linear polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Then it is called linear polynomial. Linear equation. The degree of the equation is 1. Then it is called linear equation. The degree of the equation is 1. Then it is called linear equation. So here linear equations in two variables. The general form of the linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. X and y are two variables. This is the linear equations in two variables general form. But our chapter name is pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair means we should take two linear equations, that is x1 y1, ax2 plus by2 plus c2 equal to 0. So this is the pair of linear equations in two variables general form. ax1 plus by1 plus c1 equal to 0. ax2 plus by2 plus c2 equal to 0. So in these two pair of linear equations, here we have three conditions. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Second condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Third condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Is it right? From these three conditions, then tell me if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then we get
coincident lines.
We get coincident. We get two lines are coincident. If it is coincident, you get how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Infinite solutions coincide. Two straight lines are coincide. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, the two lines are
Parallel.
Parallel means
No solution.
if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2.